Hello and welcome to Minerva PLM TV. I'm Jennifer Moore, your host, and today's episode is going to be just a little bit different. Wanted to take a moment as we're leaning towards the end of the year and just wish you all a very wonderful holiday season, however it is that you choose to celebrate. Hopefully you get some time to relax and take a deep breath and look forward to 2021. And I'd also like to take a moment just to say thank you for making Minerva PLM TV possible. It has been such a joy to bring to you all the wonderful guests that we've had on the show, from Susanna Mentalsta on her episode with Keeping the Momentum in PLM, as well as the godfather of PLM himself, Dr. Martin Eigner, Jos Voskuil, the virtual Dutchman, with his episodes on digital transformation, and so many other wonderful guests that we've had with us this year. If you haven't checked them out yet, please make sure to do so. There's a lot of great content in there to help you figure out how to bring people, processes, and technology together in the best way well into the future. As we look forward to 2021, we have lots of great content coming forward for you, including a book club style review of one of John Stark's books, as well as other guests on topics like data governance and so much more. Again, thank you. We look forward to continuing to bring you lots of relevant content to help you do your best on your product lifecycle management journey and beyond. That's all for today. Thanks again for your support. We look forward to seeing you in 2021 and hope you have an amazing start to the new year.